Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to set up your iPhone so you don't have to enter a passcode to sign in on iOS 26. To do that, you have to set up Face ID for your phone. Go to Settings, scroll down, select Face ID and Passcode. Now enter your passcode to confirm and select Setup Face ID. Tap Get Started. It's better if you wipe your frontal camera first and check the lights in your room so that you can clearly see your face in the camera. And once you're ready, tap Get Started and proceed by adding your face to the Face ID. If you want, you can also use Face ID with a mask, but if you don't use mask too often, you can set up it later in settings. Now that your Face ID is set up, make sure that it's used for iPhone unlock, and now you'll be able to unlock your device without a passcode, just like this, just by looking at it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.